Hi everyone, this is Dan with the Webaround, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your Webaround green screen with Skype. Please note that Skype does not have a native chroma key feature available, so we're going to be utilizing Minicam to chroma key. Minicam is a third-party application that allows you to adjust video settings, and it is a third-party and completely separate from Skype. For information on setting up the Webaround green screen with Minicam, check out our video on setting up that here. There are many third-party applications that will allow you to add a chroma key background to your meeting, so take a look around for what's best for you. Getting your Webaround green screen working with Skype should take about 1 minute overall. Let's get started. Let's start by opening up Skype's desktop client. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on the triple dot icon at the top left and choose Settings from this menu. Next, let's navigate to the Audio and Video tab on the Settings sidebar. At the top next to Camera, you'll notice a Camera drop-down menu. Click on this and select your camera from the list. In this case, because we're going to be utilizing Minicam, we're going to select Minicam Virtual Webcam instead of our main camera. You'll want to consult your third-party program and understand if it creates a new camera source or applies the filter directly to your camera. Once you're done, you can exit out and the camera you selected will open by default on your next meeting. You are all set. Skype is a tried and true meeting client, and getting it running with the Webaround green screen is pretty easy across the board. For more information on integrating a Webaround green screen with Skype using third-party applications, feel free to drop us a line in email or direct message us on Twitter. Links are in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.